Hi, I was reminded that I had only done the process of finding a standard deviation using the older FX83 calculators. So the new one that's been out in the recent version, the GTX. I'd like to go through that with you. So this is the sheet I had, and these are the processes. These are the buttons you pressed using the older GT calculators. So for the GTX, the more modern one, it's an easier process. Okay, so if we first of all, similarly to what you see here in terms of turning on the stat mode, it is still mode, well, it's menu rather than mode. It is still 2 for the statistics and 1 still, okay, for the one variable, the univariate data. So you get that list, okay, so it's similar to what you would have had beforehand, and you enter in the data. So I'm going to enter in the same data as the other example. So that's, again, that's 3, press equals, then 8 equals 37 equals 20 equals, and lastly 7 equals. There's my 5 numbers, and so now I want to then go through the process of find the mean and find the standard deviation. And so on the older calculators, you had to go through a process. AC shift 142 equals and AC shift 143 equals. Well, with this more modern calculator, is a lot easier. Okay, all you need to do is press Option, and then you can see here you want one variable calculations. So I press 3. So that's just option 3. Instead of going AC shift 142 equals, it's just option 3. And what you see here is we have our mean. It's 15 X bar. It's the first one on the list. And then you have to go searching for it. The one that has the sigma sign, sigma X. Okay, you're just going to have to learn that as a symbol. The sigma is the symbol that's used to describe standard deviation. And you can see there 12.377, etc., etc. Same as what we had in the older version. So it's the same process in terms of getting the stat mode on. It's the same process in terms of entering the data, but the only different bit is instead of this process here, what you do instead is literally just option 3 and then look for X bar and look for sigma X.